just wrapped up the Generational Wealth Workshop with Matt Garland and a team of amazing people who not only show people how to invest in real estate, but also how to build and how to protect and build their legacy, how to protect their assets, how to leverage taxes, and it was just amazing. I mean, a wealth of information. If you missed out, you definitely have to attend the next one. It was amazing.
Hi guys, I'm Faith. I'm so excited to be at this event. It was incredible. I'm so proud of Matt. Hundreds of people came out today and it was just incredible. Like, I learned so much and I just feel like I can conquer the world. Thank you, Matt.
Hi everybody, just finished up here at the seminar in regards to generational wealth. I thought it was amazing information, especially me being young and new to the real estate industry. Also being a millennial, I think I got a wonderful content in regards to telling my clients, what steps to take, and also I learned a lot of things for myself, especially when it comes to taxes. So it was wonderful, and if you weren't here, you need to be at the next one.
Oh guys, this was an amazing seminar. I've been to a couple before. This one's super informational. All the different aspects from credit to actual real opportunities. I thought this was amazing.
Peace and love, kings and queens. We at the Generational Wealth Convention. Very informative. We learned about taxes, finances, real estate, everything that our people need to learn. Because we're really not privileged to this information. So I think all of us need to really take advantage of this and learn generational wealth, finances, taxes, business owning, LLCs, the whole 9 yards, because our people really lacking in it. So we need to really focus, develop, and grow. Alright? Peace.
Hi everyone. We're just coming out of the workshop and the workshop was awesome. We learned so much about business planning and estate planning, and we're looking forward to the next one.
Well, the experience here was absolutely exhilarating. It was full of knowledge. It is very important, we as Blacks and Latinos and Latinas, that we have to establish generational wealth for our families. Every other race and culture does it. It's very important that we educate ourselves and understand that there's other opportunities to make money. There's other ways to create revenue instead of working until retirement. This sheds so much light, and I suggest people to get into and broaden their horizons when it comes to investing.
Congratulations on your event. This was a fantastic event. So many jewels were dropped. Collaboration is definitely better than competition. This was great. Thank you for having us.
Thank you so much for having us here, and congratulations again. It was packed. If you missed it, I feel sorry for you. If he does something else, you should definitely come. This was amazing. A lot of great speakers, and you should have been here.
Hey, this is Angie with Keller Williams. I just finished up at this great seminar at the Generational Wealth. This was a great seminar. I'm sorry you guys missed it, and like they said, collaboration is greater than competition. A lot of things were said that you need to implement. So with that being said, I appreciate you for having me, and I'm looking forward to the next one. So thank you.
I found Matt through Instagram, and I'm so happy that I found him. Instead of him, being all about the money, he was really about the knowledge, and he instructed me and my husband on what we should do. I initially came to him about refinancing a house, and he just gave us the gems, as he would say, and on what to do. And I'm just so happy I met him. And ever since then, he put me in contact with, the lawyers here, the CPAs, the financial advisors, all of these people before I even came to this for free. He didn't need to do that. He was able to help me, and I'm just so grateful.
My name is Carlos. Just finished with the workshop. Gathered a lot of information. I've been to a lot more seminars, and I'm going to a lot more seminars. You just never stop learning. The best thing to do is get knowledge and put it to action. Great workshop.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Cash Wayne Campbell, Fave Realty. Came out to the Generational Wealth Seminar. It was amazing, right? Had an amazing time. You guys are, right now, if you're working a 9 to 5, you're out there working hard, you gotta make sure that you are protecting your family. Don't die leaving them debt. That's what this seminar was about, generational wealth, where you can continue to pass that wealth down generation after generation. All right? Definitely. No competition. Let's all work together as a team.
Hi guys, this is Carolyn, your New York City real estate junkie. I'm coming to you today from the Radisson Hotel, and I have to tell you, this has been the most amazing seminar. Matthew, I want to thank you. This is the Wealth Building Seminar through Real Estate, and Matt G, Home Loans, I think that's his handle on Instagram. Guys, if you missed this one, you have to come to the next one. A lot of gems, as he would call it, being dropped out here. So definitely, if you missed this one, come again to the next one. Matthew, thank you so much for doing this. There are so many people who need this. And I was happy to be out here to receive all the information that you had here. Thank you again.